For this craft, you will need resin, color powder or food coloring, any glitter or small ornaments, dice molds, and acrylic paint, and a paintbrush. I got a resin kit off of Amazon for approximately $35. It had everything I needed and more. First, you are going to mix your resin and the hardener 50-50 for 3 minutes. Mix it well. Next, you're going to pour your mixture into 7 small cups if you want all of your dice different, or if you want a fairly uniform set, you can just leave it in the mixing container. For step 3, you're going to add in your color or ornaments or glitter or anything that you want to make your dice look unique. Next, you can pour or use a dropper to add your mixture into the dice mold and allow 24 hours for them to cure. Once your dice are entirely cured, you're going to want to file them down, if needed, and paint in the numbers and wipe away any excess paint. Thanks for watching! Let us know in the comment section what you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel!